Hi, I'm Ming, Product Manager of Renovate AI. This is a quick demo of Renovate AI Enterprise tool. It can render both interior and exterior spaces. Here shows 4 categories, but we can definitely do more, like wall paint, countertops, trims, windows, and landscapes. Let's do cabinetry. You can upload your own images here. For now, I will use this first image. You can change color, panel style, trim, pattern, and also multiple finishes. If we choose this white here, let's see what happens. There we go. This is the existing photo, and this is the new render. So you can see it not only changes the color, but also the panel style. We will add all your material catalogs here and build your own tool, which you can let your sales team or design team to leverage it. In addition, if integrate this tool into your website, your customers can also see how your material and color looks like in their kitchens or bathrooms. So let us know your sales and we can schedule a meeting.